Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, November 10th. The Zen story for today is titled The River That Turned Around. The monk woke to a strange quiet. Not silence exactly, just something missing. He stepped outside. The ground was damp. A thick line of mist drifted along the tree trunks, curling low across the forest floor. He walked toward the stream. Leaves crackled underfoot. Birds rustled in the canopy above, but none called out. At the river's edge, he crouched. The water was moving upstream. The current bent against its usual path. A branch floated past him, heading the wrong way. Smooth, steady, certain. He scanned the banks for a blockage. Nothing. Stones were still. The riverbed unchanged. He looked up. Across the stream, a fox sat between two moss-covered roots, watching, tail draped to one side, ears flicking. Its eyes followed the water, then turned toward him. A sound broke behind him. The wind rustled in reverse. Leaves that had fallen now tumbled up the hill. Smoke twisted downward from the cabin chimney, coiling into the ground. A bird flapped past him, its wings pushing back instead of forward. It landed on a branch, paused, then launched straight up, vanishing through the trees. He gripped a nearby rock, cold, solid. His breath grew shallow. The river slowed. Then it shifted. A pause in the current. The water hung for a moment, neither backward nor forward, and then resumed its usual course, slipping downstream, as if nothing had changed. The fox stood. It gave a sharp yip, high, quick, almost like a bark. Then it turned and disappeared into the underbrush. The monk stayed a little longer, staring at the water. On the way back, he noticed his footprints in the mud. They were facing toward the stream, but the heel marks came first. When he stepped inside the cabin, his robe was already folded backwards. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Can you sit with the arrival of mystery without rushing to name it? Can you sit with the arrival of mystery without rushing to name it? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Can you sit with the arrival of mystery without rushing to name it? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.